Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Arlo Pro 5S security camera. If you're looking for the best security camera, then this Arlo Pro 5S security camera setup is the one of the best solution. The Arlo Pro 5S security camera is a smart wireless camera designed for home and outdoor security. It offers 2K HDR video, color night vision, two-way audio, and works with both Wi-Fi and Arlo Smart Hub for enhanced security. So let's start the process. First of all, unbox the camera box. Inside the Arlo Pro 5S security camera box, you'll find the camera itself, a rechargeable battery, a magnetic charging cable, a wall mount with screws, and a quick start guide. Some packages may also include extra accessories like a security mount or stickers for added setup convenience. Open the battery compartment at the bottom/back of the camera. Insert the rechargeable battery into the slot until it clicks. Close the compartment securely. If the battery isn't fully charged, connect the magnetic charging cable to charge it before setup. On your smartphone, go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Arlo Secure and install it. Open the app and sign in or create a new Arlo account. In the Arlo app, tap Add New Device. Select Camera's Arlo Pro 5S from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The app will display a QR code. Hold the phone with QR code in front of the camera lens, 8 to 10 inches away. The camera will chime once it scans successfully. Wait while the app pairs with the camera. Once connected, you'll see a live video preview. If it doesn't connect, reset the camera and repeat the steps. Temporarily place the camera where you plan to mount it. In the app, check the Wi-Fi signal strength and video angle. Adjust the position if needed for the best view and stable signal. Choose a secure spot, ideally 7 to 8 feet high, angled slightly down. Install the magnetic or screw mount using the included hardware. Attach the camera to the mount and adjust the angle until satisfied. Set up motion detection zones. Turn on features like color night vision, auto zoom tracking, spotlight, or siren if supported. Enable notifications and recording preferences. That's it. Your Arlo Pro 5S security camera is fully installed and ready to protect your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.